What's going on, guys? Putco Paul here. Today we're looking at our Sideliner blade kits for that peripheral lighting system on your first responder vehicles. So let's dive into it. So it's going to be a custom aluminum extrusion with our E-blade embedded inside of it and epoxy at the end. So the blade and the extrusion are attached to each other, and the extrusion will actually mount to the vehicle with custom bracketry near the vehicle's frame too. So you get a really nice solid mount and a very durable extrusion and product for that rugged application on the vehicle. The E-blade itself, it's going to have 64 strobe patterns and 3 color options, red, blue, and white. So you kind of get any need you might have for a pattern or for a color option available. This is going to be an SAE Class 1 lighting device with a CISPR25 rated driver. This is actually our Generation 6 blade driver here. So a lot of tech in here, a lot of development, a lot of lessons learned in this box. So a really reliable part. It's kind of a 5-year warranty on it as well. So we definitely support units in the field. And then, yeah, it's going to give you a really nice custom look on the side of the vehicle. We have fitment available for the Ford Explorer Interceptor, the Dodge Charger Pursuit, the Dodge Durango, your Tahoe PPV and Yukon XL, and your Ford, Chevy, and Dodge pickup trucks. The Sideliner kits are available today on Putco.com or a local installer near you. Check us out on our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, or www.putco.com. Thanks, and see you next time.